You have definitely seen those videos on YouTube where complex topics are explained in a simple, clean, and visual way. These are called explainer-style videos, and creators are making thousands of dollars every single month just by doing this. Look at this, a single YouTube video with 15 million views. And if you think this style is outdated or no longer working, so watch. This channel has gained 164,000 subscribers with just 20 videos, and this one gained 60,000 subscribers with just 45 videos. Making these videos is way easier than you think, and I am going to show you the totally free method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open the detailed prompt I have written for you. The link is in the description below. Copy the video idea creation prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and in just a couple of seconds, it will provide you with different categories and topics to choose from. Now, pick the one you find the most interesting. Then copy the script writing prompt, paste it in. Copy your chosen idea and place it inside the designated title section in the prompt. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate a complete structured script on that topic ready to use. Now it is time to find the visuals for your video. You can go directly to Google and search for them manually, or you can take a smarter shortcut. Paste your script into ChatGPT and ask it to provide the exact keywords to search for every single scene. This makes finding the right visuals for every part of your video significantly faster and more accurate. Now for the voiceover, copy your script and paste it into any text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs or Google AI Studio and generate. Your professional voiceover is ready in seconds. Now copy the thumbnail image prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. Inside the prompt, enter your total number of objects first. Then scroll down and enter the name of every object one by one. Hit enter, and your thumbnail image will be created in just a few seconds. And if you want to adjust anything in the image, just ask ChatGPT to change it and it will update instantly. Now open any video editor you like and import all your clips and voiceover. Add the voiceover to the timeline first, then place a white background underneath everything. Now add your thumbnail image at the start and place a keyframe on it. Move 20 frames forward and zoom in, so the first object, in this case dark chocolate, comes into the center of the frame. Add a smooth animation to that keyframe so the zoom feels natural and cinematic. Now start adding the correct visuals for each scene, and place proper text on screen to explain every point clearly. When the second object comes into the script, copy and paste the same thumbnail image. Delete the first keyframe. Move the second keyframe to the beginning and slide it slightly so the second object, milk chocolate, now sits in the center of the frame. Repeat the exact same editing process for every remaining object until your full explainer video is complete. Hit export, and let's watch the result together.
Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is made with cocoa solids, cocoa butter, and very little or no milk. It has one of the oldest chocolate styles and stays closer to the original taste used by early chocolate makers. Its stronger flavor comes from a higher cocoa content, which gives it a deeper and slightly bitter taste. Many people value it for its rich texture and because it is often used in baking, desserts, and premium chocolate products. Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate combines cocoa with milk powder or condensed milk to create a smoother and sweeter taste. It became widely popular in the late 19th century when producers found ways to mix milk into chocolate successfully. This style is now one of the most common chocolates in the world. Its softer flavor makes it a favorite for candy bars, snacks, and everyday treats.
The prompts, the process, and the tools are all completely free. Everything you need is in the description below. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.